This is the final part of the axle assembly, and I will not put anything on the side. I'll just call it the pin. Let me say support pin. Support pin. Now it's in the right folder. I will do this using a revolve, which is not a good design intent, most of the times, but in this case, it should be okay. So the length of 110, here of 9.5, and then from here 15, put this dimension on the right and go in by 20. Draw a line from this point, track that end, and then close. So that is our profile, which we shall straight away revolve. Select this as our revolve and then click OK. Now we'll put a 4mm chamfer on all the edges. Let's modify on that one, on that one, and on that one. We put 4mm, and then we move the next. Then we do a hole. The hole on the side. I choose that plane and then put a hole here in the middle, and that hole will be 6 mils. And the hole is going to be 15mm from the end. And then, as usual, we extrude. Extrude on both sides. Distance is all, and that will be a cut. Click OK, and that's the hole already made there. The upper part is nulled, so we shall use the surface feature here. Click on that. Go to appearance. Change this from bodies to faces, and then look for a null to change that surface. So what we need is that steel null, which you can put on that face, and that finishes this drawing, and that will be the last, and then we'll go to the assembly.